Hello, this is my presentation on World Baseball Classic. World Baseball Classic was founded in 2006. This was organized in largely part as a response to the International Olympic Committee deciding to remove baseball as an Olympic sport in 2005. The 16th field for the inaugural 2016 tournament was pre-selected, featuring countries judged to be the best playing nations in the world. No qualifying competitions were held. The first game in World Baseball Classic's history saw South Korea defeating Chinese Taipei 2-0 before a crowd of about 5,100 at the Tokyo Dome in March 2006. South Korea went on to advance to the semifinals with a 6-0 record, but lost to Japan in the final game. Meanwhile, Cuba defeated the Dominican Republic in the other semifinal. Ultimately, Japan then defeated Cuba 10-6 to be crowned the first champion of the World Baseball Classic. The World Baseball Classic, or WBC for short, is an international baseball tournament sanctioned from 2006 to 2013 by the International Baseball Federation, IBAF, and after 2013 by World Baseball Softball Confederation, WBSC, in partnership with Major League Baseball, MLB. It was proposed to the IBAF by Major League Baseball, the Major League Baseball Players Association, and other professional baseball leagues and their players associated around the world. Following a 2-year pandemic-related hiatus, the World Baseball Classic will return in March 2023. WBC was set to play in 2020, but the event was postponed indefinitely due to COVID. The tournaments take place every 4 seasons during spring training, with qualifying games played 1 year prior. Taichung, Tokyo, Phoenix, and Miami will be the 4 host cities of the 2023 WBC. WBC in 2023 will open with pool play on March 8th in Taiwan, and it would end with the championship game on March 21st at Lone Depot Park in Miami. This is a visual map highlighting the 4 cities throughout the world that are going to be hosting next year. And this is a breakdown of how their pools are going to be played, how and when. As far as growth, there have been tournaments in 2006, 2009, 2013, 2017, and the next one in 2023. In the next game, they are expanding to 20 competing teams. In the previous tournament, there were only 16. In addition to increasing teams, their audience have also been increasing as well through TV viewership or actual fans in the stands. These are stats from the 2017 competition. Overall, it was up about 32% from the previously one in 2013. The technology from 2013 to now has definitely changed significantly. So what does that mean for the future? Expand more online, more apps, more TV. In regards to media coverage, the MLB Network and ESPN, which could be seen through Australia, New Zealand, and surrounding islands. As for their first 2 World Baseball Classics, they were only shown on ESPN in the United States. Sponsorship for 2023 has not been released yet, but these were the sponsors for 2017. Global sponsors, which is the highest level of sponsors, were Gung Ho, a video game maker, Hublot, luxury watchmaker, Nippon Express, a Japanese logistics, and Nomura Securities, which is a financial service group. These global sponsors will be featured throughout all of the venues participating in the WBC tournament. And as far as the traditional sponsors with the logo on the uniform and helmets, there was also LG, which is Korean, Banco PHD Leon, which is Dominican Republic, and AT&T and Comex for Mexico. Canadian Tire also received the placement on Team Canada's helmet. Curaçao Tourism had a patch on Netherlands jerseys, and Lend-Lease also had a patch on Australia's jersey. Venues are allowed to have local sponsors as well. In October, during MLB playoffs, Fox Sports announced they would have the exclusive broadcasting rights for the WBC tournament in 2023. This would be featured all across their sport pages in English and Spanish. Well, that's the summary on World Baseball Classic, and just a little fun fact, all the players featured here on my slides are actually players that would be playing next year in the tournament. So thank you guys for watching.